What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an honest review on this Lord of the Rings replica sword. This is actually a replica of Sting, which is Frodo's sword from the Lord of the Rings movies. And I actually got this for a do-it-yourself project. I'm making a garden fountain that's Lord of the Rings themed, and so I needed something that was heavy duty and that would last through the weather. This was actually the most affordable cosplay sword or Lord of the Rings themed sword that I could find, and it came with this nice sheath, and if you unsheath it you can see the elven engravings on it, and it's just made of really high quality metal, and the sheath is kind of this velvet texture and has the gold designs on it, and then the handle has these designs on it as well, and it just looks really nice, especially for what I'm doing. The sheath has a slot for a belt to go through, and I was really surprised when it showed up that it just was pretty hefty and heavy duty. It's made of stainless steel. The blade is stainless steel, and I believe the handle's zinc alloy, and it's just really heavy duty, and it worked for what I was using it for, and it also would work for any type of cosplay or collector's item. And I was just surprised at the quality because it was the lowest priced item that I could find that fit what I needed. And so I'm going to do a couple shots of it so you guys can see the details of it. And overall, I'm just really pleased with this product. If you guys decide to pick it up, I hope you guys enjoy it as well. The total length with the sheath is 19.9 inches, and the total length without the sheath is 17.9 inches. The handle is 5.9 inches, the blade is 12 inches, and the total weight is 2.1 pounds. The blade is stainless steel, the handle is zinc alloy, the scabbard is leather and zinc alloy, and you'll want to know that the blade is not sharp. This is meant to be a replica cosplay sword, not a weapon. This is perfect for cosplay, and as you can see, it worked out beautifully for my DIY project in my garden. It's really heavy duty for the price that it is, and it was the cheapest Lord of the Rings themed sword that was full metal on the marketplace that I could find. And so it did the trick for me, and that concludes this honest review of the Lord of the Rings themed sword.